You need to know one simple thing before you run your first Facebook ad. If you don't do this first, you will waste money. I guarantee it. So please listen up. Step number 1 is to create a business manager account. This is like your control center for everything. It keeps all of your ads organized and safe. And you can easily share it with your team members. Step number 2 is to set up your ad account inside of Business Manager. This is where you'll connect your payment method and set your daily budgets. Without it, you can't run campaigns and you can't track your spend. Step number 3 is to connect your Facebook page and your Instagram account. This is so your ads show up under your brand name and not your personal profile. And it makes everything look more professional. And here's a bonus tip. Add a backup admin to your Business Manager account. That way you have someone to rely on if you ever get locked out. Now that you have your foundation set up, it's time to move on to step number 4. And in part 2, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your first Facebook pixel and start tracking results the right way. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it.